Ejector!
While speaking to the media, the Indian Air Force Chief has said that the search for 4.5 generation or 5th generation fighter jets under the 114 MRFA tender is still ongoing, and the Air Force is going through proposals that it has received. This is for the first time that the Air Chief has confirmed that the Air Force is open to the idea of a 5th generation platform under the MRFA. The Indian Air Force has received proposals from prospective manufacturers about their 4.5 generation fighter jets, while Russia has offered its Su-75 to the Indian Air Force, but it is unlikely that the Air Force will be interested in its procurement, as the existence of the Su-75 project is becoming increasingly impossible, as UAE has paused funding the project. The only other Russian 5th generation fighter jet in production is the Su-57, and India had already ditched the joint development program in 2018, but Russia has repitched the Su-57 to India several times since the 2018 withdrawal. The American F-35A has never been offered to India, but recently both a Japanese think tank and a British defense publication had claimed that India is silently negotiating with the American government for the purchase of heavily modified F-35 fighter jets with India-specific modifications. After the release of the video of the Astra Mark 1 air-to-air missile and the Astra Mark 2 missile being ejected from an ejector launcher of the Su30, experts have said that the use of the ejector launcher will avoid the missile being jammed, which could happen in the rail launcher. The ejector launcher will also reduce any chances of harm to the aircraft, and will ensure safe missile separation even in the most extreme flight conditions. Apart from the Astra Mark 1 and Mark 2 variant, the Rudram 1, Rudram 2 and Rudram 3 air-to-surface missiles will also use ejector launchers. The Indian Air Force Chief has confirmed that the air staff quality requirements for the Su30 Upgrade have been finalized. The Super Sukhoi upgrade will see the incorporation of all Indian-made systems, and will not include any Russian systems. In the first batch, 84 Su30 aircraft will be upgraded, and the actual implementation of the upgrade kits will begin on the aircraft in 2026. The upscale 2-ton radar for the Super Sukhoi will be developed by 2024, and will complete developmental trials by end of 2025. The Indian Navy will soon induct the Varuna air mobility vehicle that has been developed by the Sagar Defense Engineering. The Varuna autonomous multicopter drone has been designed as per Navy's requirements, and will be used to carry personnel and logistics between naval warships. It can be operated remotely, and can also be flown automatically along predetermined routes. It has the capability to carry 130 kilograms payload, and can cover 25 kilometers in 30 minutes. The Indian Army will procure 140 units of lightweight and portable radio relay equipment for high-altitude areas and mountains that will have a weight of less than 35 kilograms. It will have a communication range of 15 kilometers in fixed frequency mode and 25 kilometers in frequency hopping mode, and will have 256-bit AES encryption algorithm. India and UK held a Defence Consultative Group meeting in London that was co-chaired by the Indian Defence Secretary and his counterpart David Williams, to review defence cooperation and intensify joint research, co-design and production of emerging defence systems. India and the UK are in discussions to work together on several key military technologies, like combat aircraft design, marine propulsion, and a 110 kN jet engine for the AMCA program.